All right.
Take off flaps.
It's kind of cold.
Push it hard, warm up your batteries.
That's what I'm going to do.
Hand warmers.
That's exactly it.
Them.
That's what I do.
They really retain the heat well, too.
And it stay that way for like 30 minutes.
Crazy,
which is perfect.
Yep.
Just what we need.
China cleared.
All right, going up.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Wait,
No, you can go up. I don't care.
that's alright.
I don't want to eat up all the sky. The light's going away.
Nah.
Okay. If you're okay with it, I'm not going to say no. Madman flight.
Woohoo!
Gonna warm up that battery good.
Oh yeah.
Feels a lot colder than that.
That's the wind chill factor.
Wind chill's probably in the low 40s.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
You can tell there's a crosswind. It's pushing it. It's pushing it.
A little bitty crosswind.
I actually like the clouds. It's more of a contrast.
Time remaining 1 minute.
It's a character. Those afterburners really look real.
They do.
It's just the exact, whatever light source you're using, it's just perfect.
Yeah.
It's almost that stupid LED white light.
Oh, yeah, or the red ones.
It just looks ridiculous. Yeah.
30 seconds.
This one's an amber. I think the same color as a turn signal.
No, it's actually perfect.
Time remaining 17 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
All right.
4, 3,
Time for landing.
1. Time expired. Gear
Gear
down.
check. All 3 down.
Landing flaps.
Crash rate. Dad gonna fly it?
Oh, he's gonna fall in love with it and want one of his own.
No, it's too late. The vibe is.
Yeah, on my turn. Go stand
Flat up.
One, you know, unless there's 6 people.
Get out of here, boy.
I hear that noise? That means. This is my 2-cell, don't worry. This isn't my crazy.
It's only a 2-cell?
Oh, yeah, this thing's only. That's how I can fly for so long.
Don't look at it closely. It's very, very ugly right now. It's hideous.